Hello, it's Mark Cockrell again with What's in Store Fridays. We're going to show you what we carry in the stores. I'm with the Culture and Heritage Museums, and the season's coming up for people to do a lot of cooking. And I want to let you know we have some really nice cookbooks in the store. And let's show you a couple. For the Love of the South, it's from Amber Wilson. She has some great visuals in here, really good recipes, bacon-studded cornbread, all kinds of dishes pertaining to the South. But this is a really nice cookbook here. Of course, we carry the Grand Dame of Southern Cooking, Natalie Dupree. We have her favorite stories and recipes, her Southern biscuits, and my favorite is the Shrimp and Grits cookbook here. The Good Book of Southern Baking. It's a revival of biscuits, cakes, and cornbread. Who wouldn't like that? New Orleans style bread pudding. Cheese turnovers. Danish dough, but this is some really nice cooking. Most of the books we have pertain to Southern cooking. And one we just got in is Southern appetizers. Parties are coming up. People might be wanting to take some food to the party. We have some fancy deviled eggs, although a lot of people call them stuffed eggs, but we have deviled eggs. Lima bean hummus. Doesn't that look good? So today we're going to show you how to make one of the appetizers out of this book. So let's get started. Okay, today we're going to show you how to make a really cool looking appetizer. It's a Charleston Cheeseball, but it's going to end up looking the resemblance of a pineapple. It makes a great presentation. Next time you go to a party, tell them you'll bring the cheese ball, and they'll be really surprised when they see what you actually brought. So what I have here, it's cream cheese, white cheddar cheese, some other ingredients. You've got onions in it. I've mixed it all up. A couple of the secret ingredients is triple sec, or some orange flavored liqueur goes in it. And an unexpected treat is the Old Bay seasoning that also goes in it. But you will put all of this in your stand mixer, mix it all up, wrap it in saran wrap, and chill it in the fridge for at least 8 hours. When you get it out, put it on a plate and you'll peel it back. So you want to use saran wrap so you won't get your hands all messed up. But what you want to do is we're going to make it shaped like a pineapple, or the gesture of a pineapple. So using this so you won't get your hands messed up, make the bottom sort of blunt and then sort of cone it to a point, like the shape of a pineapple, but you want a nice flat bottom like a real pineapple, and then taper it down to a point. Okay, so once you've got the shape you want to take pecan halves that you've roasted in the oven for 8 minutes on 350, and it'll bring out that nice oil, that nice flavor in them. And what you want to do is start at the bottom and just gently press them into the cheese ball. And just on the bottom of your pineapple shape, just make a straight line to cover the bottom. But the idea is to, once you get a row down, you want to start overlapping to give it that nice texture. Okay, once you get it all done, it should be on a pretty platter the first time you're doing it. And we're going to give it a pretty top like a pineapple. So an easy thing to use is rosemary. So just take some sprigs of rosemary and we're just going to stick it into our pineapple. And they don't need to be too terribly long. You don't want to go way down deep into the cheese ball. But you can just strip the ends of this rosemary and use it as a little pick. Really impressive looking pineapple cheese ball. Not your ordinary cheese ball, but it's called the Charleston Cheeseball, and it's in the cookbook that we carry in the store. And we hope you come in and visit. We're getting lots of new items in for the holidays, and we'll see you next time.